Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing great today. Let's see, we got Roxy back here in the background. Hey, Roxy, say hello. Oh, never mind. She's got some private business to do. Well, today, what I wanted to do is show you guys how I plant a pineapple. My wife and I love pineapples, and it's a pretty simple fruit to, come on, Roxy, you wanna go? Roxy, wanna go? Let's see if she comes. There she's coming. Yeah, so we love pineapples, and they're so easy to grow. Now we're in Central Florida. I don't know how well they grow up in Michigan or New Hampshire or whatever, but I'll show you the pineapple plants that we have, that we've grown over the years. We've got, see if I can show you, that pineapple plant right there. That's our first one. And then we've got some newer ones here. We've got some here. And we've got a whole bunch of them. I can't really even tell if you guys can see them or not. But we got them, and we just keep them in front of this hedge or underneath some oak trees. They got plenty of shade. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you plant these things. First of all, you can see, I don't know how this lighting is. It's pretty cloudy out today. But you just cut the top of the pineapple off. It's no good to eat or anything for anybody else. So you eat that. I mean, you cut that off. I'm sorry. You cut that off, and then we come outside, and you just take your foot and you scrape a little bit of ground clear, and you put the pineapple like that, and then you're done. That's it. You're done. And that's how all these grew. They just self-propagate. They'll start to grow roots. And now a couple of these pineapple plants we've harvested some pineapples from. Now, for those that don't know, boy, this lighting is just terrible today. I don't know what to do about that. Anyways, there we go. That's pretty good. These pineapple plants self-propagate, but they only grow one pineapple and then they're done. But what happens is they'll shoot off another shoot, and then another plant will form off of that, and that'll grow a pineapple. Now, these are slow growers, though. They'll take like 2 or 3 years for a pineapple to grow. But I can give you an example of one with a shoot right here. We picked the pineapple off of this plant right here, and no, we picked it up off of, let me see here. Now we got several shoots coming off here. So this is the original one. This is where the pineapple was harvested. From there, we've got this shoot off that'll produce another pineapple. And over here, this one will shoot off another pineapple. And that might have been an original plant from a long time ago. And if we look over, I think I've got another one, like right here, we've got 2 shoots. So we're going to get 2. We're going to get one coming out of here, and this one's already been picked and harvested. So after this one's been, and this particular one never made it to maturity. It just stopped growing. It grew into like a little ball and didn't grow properly. And so it came up fairly quickly, and it just didn't do well. But now we got another shoot, another chance for another pineapple to come up. And we don't fertilize them. We don't water them. We do nothing. As a matter of fact, what everybody tells me, and from my experience, the best thing you could do, let me get in the sun, or get in some light. There's no light out here today. Somebody forgot to pay the light bills. What I've always been told, and what I've learned from my own experience, is the best thing you can do for a pineapple plant is nothing. Just leave it alone. Put it in the right spot, leave it alone. It'll take care of itself. No pesticides, no fertilizing, no aeration, no watering, nothing. So we don't do anything with those. We just leave them alone. So let me see what Roxy's up to. This is her afternoon gallivant for the day. She's really an inside dog. She only comes outside just to get some fresh air every once in a while. But anyways, back to the pineapple plants. That's it. That's all you got to do. Stick them in the ground, buy them at the grocery store, cut the tops off, put them aside, core up your your pineapple, and then go plant your top underneath some shade and just on bare dirt. That's all you got to do. Well, people, I hope I was able to help somebody learn a little bit more about pineapples. You guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.